Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix YouTube black screen on PC. So, ad blockers are browse plugins that block certain elements of a web page, such as banner ads or YouTube video ads. While they usually allow the rest of the page to load normally, sometimes they malfunction and cause black screens on YouTube, and here's how you can check if your ad blocker is the culprit. First thing first, go to your YouTube website and play the video that's giving you a black screen. In your browser's extension bar, locate your ad blocker like uBlock, AdBlock, etc. Then temporarily disable it. Now refresh the YouTube video page, and if the video now plays correctly, the ad blocker is likely the issue. Check your ad blocker settings or documentation for options that prevent it from blocking YouTube video content. If you're using custom filter lists, try disabling or removing them, as these can sometimes interfere with video playback. This way, you can fix YouTube playback while still keeping your ad blocker active. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.